Here we go. Based on our given information, which two lines are parallel? So you're told in example 1 that angle 1 is congruent to angle 8. What two lines must be parallel? Cheyenne? Alright, so C is parallel to D. By what? What type of angles are 1 and 8? Alternate exterior angles. Very good. Alternate exterior angles. So Morgenstone. What about number 2? 9 and 13. What two lines must be parallel? So B, C, and D, yeah. So C is still parallel to D. So Ted, why is C parallel to D? By what angles? Type of angle. Corresponding, very good. Corresponding angles. And our last one, here we go, we're going to try this again. And our last one, 7 and 6. 7 and 6. So, ZA, what about that? What two lines are parallel with 7 and 6? Okay, why A and B? Bailyn? Here we go. We don't have enough information with number 3. Because what type of angles are 7 and 6? Vertical angles, right? Okay, let's go back to our list. If the lines are parallel, they have to satisfy one of these 4 categories. Anywhere in there, do you see vertical angles? No, so vertical angles don't tell us anything about whether the lines are going to be parallel or not. So it has to fit one of these 4 types of angles. And if it doesn't fit one of those, then we cannot determine if they are parallel. They might be, but as Bailyn said, there's not enough information. Okay, now this is where it's going to feel just like yesterday. Notice that the language of the directions has only slightly changed. Yesterday you were told L is parallel to M. Find the value of X. What you're going to be told today is find the value of X that makes the lines parallel. And the way we do that is we assume that they're parallel. So let's assume that L is parallel to M. What type of angles do we have there on example 4?
Corresponding.
Corresponding. What do we know about corresponding angles?
They're congruent.
They're congruent. Therefore, 3x plus 20 is equal to 2x plus 40. X is 20. Now we're done. So, once you guys take minute or 2, I want you guys to do number 5. Where we left off. Alright, so Morgan, what'd you get for number 5? Or explain how you set up number 5.
I said 5x plus 10 is equal to 8x minus 1.
equal to 8x minus 5? Now, why would you do that?
Because, L and M are
So 5x plus 10, 8x minus 5, they're what type of angles? No such thing as parallel angles. Think about the list we've been talking about the last few days. What type of angles are those? So let's go back here. Which one of these angles fits those two? Alternate interior, okay. So for alternate interior, that's like 4 and 9. So notice how they're on opposite sides of the transversal, and they're on opposite parallels. Does that fit our model here? Okay. Let's go back to that list then. What other ones do you think might apply? Yeah, consecutive interior, and if they're consecutive interiors, then they must be supplementary. Now, what does that mean, Morgan? Yeah, they add up to 180, so they're not really equal to each other. They add up to 180. So we have 13x plus 5, equals 175. Oh, 180, sorry. Got ahead of myself. Therefore, 13x equals 175. X is 175 over 13. That's all I have for us today.